Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Naila Prasna Paramita. I'm the student of Faculty of Medicine Sultan Agung University Semarang, Indonesia. As we may know, randomized controlled trials or RCTs are the gold standard study design used to evaluate the safety and effectiveness of healthcare intervention. Today, I'm going to read the RCT article entitled Effect of Vitamin A or Beta-Carotene Supplementation on Pregnancy-Related Mortality and Infant Mortality in Rural Bangladesh, a cluster randomized trial. Using a consort checklist 2010 and 10. The term consort standard of consolidated standard of the reporting trials in provides guidance or recommendation for reporting all randomized controlled trials. I have divided my presentation into 4 parts. First, I'm going to find the item of the consort checklist of introduction in the article. After that, I'm going to find the items to the consort checklist of methods followed by result in the RCT article. Then I'm going to find the items of the consort checklist in the discussion. Finally, I will summarize presentation. First of all, identification of components of the title using SPICAD. I cannot find the component of setting and population in the title, but we can identify a cluster randomized trial as the intervention acne vulgaris and the condition effect of effectiveness and the point of the RCT. So basically, the article is the report of findings of study to evaluate the effectiveness of intervention called I for the treatment of condition called, and is for in the population, P is for gender and age, and S is for hospital, and D. Let's begin the introduction. So first introduction is the yellow one. Is compound 2A checklist is content, objective, design, intervention, main outcome, measure, result, and conclusion. So the first one is introduction. Introduction begin in yellow one. This is a point 2A. Yeah, this is the point 2A. And then the next one, the page next is this. This is page 2. The checklist is 2B, which means specific, objective, or hypothesis. So this is the objective of the hypothesis. Okay. The next is the methods. So we move the methods to the method. It is the 3A point, which means description of trial design such a parallel factorial including allocation ratio. So this is 3A. We cut out cluster randomized double mass. Okay, the next one is point 4B. The 4B is settings and location where the data were located. So the data is located in Bangladesh, especially in Gaibada district. Okay. Next is point 4a. Point 4a, LGBT for participants. So the participant is community boundaries, and we move the next page. Ya, ulang aja lah. Find checklist number 7A, which is how sample size was determined. Okay. Okay, we move to the next point, which is the trial cohort definition. I can find the checklist number 30A, which is for each group the numbers of the participants who were randomly assigned, received intended treatment, and were analyzed to the primary outcome. So the participant is a married woman, the married woman. Okay. Next is point is still in point trial cohort. I can find checklist 40A, which means why the trial ended or was stopped. Okay. I'm sorry, for point 40A, data defining the periods of recruitment and follow-up. Okay. It says this criteria enable as many participants and their live-born instance of possible opportunity to complete 44 of postnatal follow-up to the trial's close date of January. Okay, we move to the next page, and finally we in point results. So the results I can find in point 8 in checklist 8 number 18, which is the result of any other analysis performed, including subgroup analysis and adjust analysis, distinguishing specified from exploratory. So there's the point 80. Okay, we move the next page. This is still in point result. I can find checklist number 19. All important harms or united effects in each group. So there was 138 maternal deaths from all causes, with 40 and 47 and many others. Okay, so we move the next page. I can find the point of 19 2 in this. Okay, we move the next page again. Okay. Finally, I can find the checklist number 24. So where the full trial protocol can be accessed in available. And the last one is point 25. Search a funding and the other support. Okay. So that concludes my presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.